Hello everybody, back here today again. Feeling a little better than I have been, that's why I haven't been on much. But I've had an issue over time here of working on chainsaws. When you're working on them, you're always putting a bar down on the table like that, and especially when you're trying to run it and adjust the carburetors or something on them. And you kind of need an extra hand to kind of help hold the saw still so it's not moving around. So I ended up taking and making me a little setup here. I took a C-clamp and a little bit of angle iron here. I need to cut this off a little more because it's too long, but I haven't done it yet. But I probably will. I'll probably cut it off somewhere around in here. And I put a piece on the other side. If I'd have thought about it when I was doing it, I'd have just cut this off and doubled it and just bolted it together there. But I just ended up tack welded me this little part on the back to help stable it a little more. But it works out pretty good like this. And you could always, if you're on the edge of a table and you don't want it moving around, take and put you another clamp on your table to kind of hold it still. And this is good also for if you're adjusting the chain and need someone to kind of hold the bar up. This works really good because when you're tightening a bar up, you want it kind of raised up a little bit. And this here, when you do it, it works pretty good there. It holds it up good. And these clamps, you can get them pretty cheap for a few bucks a piece at Harbor Freight, I think it is. But easy fix, cheap, and it would work good too if you was out in the woods and you needed to sharpen your chain. And you can just sit there moving it and do it instead of having it pushed down into the wood or on the ground. I like it. Like I said, I needed to cut that off there. I should have did it when I was making it and just doubled this up. And it would have worked better, would have looked better anyway. I put 1/4 inch bolts through here. And they're about 1 inch long. Put lock nuts on it so they wouldn't vibrate loose. But cheap, easy fix for your chainsaws to help hold them up off the table. So if you like this video, comment, subscribe, hit the notification buttons, and have a great day, everybody. Bye.